Harwin's M300 series are compact, extremely durable power connectors for robotics, defense, aviation, UAVs, space, and oil and gas applications in harsh environments. The M300 series offers a 3mm pitch and can handle up to 10 amps per contact, with up to 10 positions per connector for wire-to-wire and wire-to-board connections. The female contacts are gold-plated 4-fingered beryllium copper contacts that provide excellent electrical and mechanical performance, durability up to 1,000 mating cycles, and high corrosion resistance. Mechanical reliability is further enhanced with available jack screws and a potting wall for additional strain relief, with connectors able to withstand extreme shock and vibration. The nylon 4T housing material has a low outgassing index, and the connectors are rated for operation from -65 to +175 degrees Celsius.